you will Louis Vuitton, you will Dior, you will Jasper, you will Maybach, you will you know, Dior, Ankasa, you will Gucci, a whole lot brands of shades. Eba mema shades you will lot, you will Ray-Ban, or you will old, you know, type of Ray-Ban. You will new type of Ray-Ban. I don't know. They are all adorable. Your baby, both men and women. I will be Timmy Ashe. This one goes for the ladies. So ladies, mama pay glasses. I can say, "Monso, we got oh, now Michelin so and say men so many day. Just call us. You will be Timmy do lens at soon. Now we day every day. Call us on 0559 306325. This is Tom Ford. I decided to wait for you to see how it is. So this is how it looks like, yeah, when you wear. So this is how it looks like, okay? And to also wear your dear now or your dear now where you see a dear mommy still I know yeah they are said that my you know or henna beauty parlor, still making sure that my hair, my wigs look so clean. Of course, they did revamping, no more treaty. I am very new, I am very adorable. Pampa in be a name. Sebi ode da ukune chia, uti say pampa into fa ukuno, into fa so boyfriend, whoever your fiancé, when your wigs are so clean and so smelling fresh. Wakasa no with me, a flipper will serve around with every individual. So that's how it looks like. Very, very adorable. You know that I love wearing this wig. Yes, so you treat your mommy and it's very nice. So Ohinowa beauty parlor, one more ahojo opposite soccer bet ahojo fee. That's where they are. So I'll give their number to you. Then call them. Na ope so pedicure, manicure, DND cure, ope makeup. Those of you who love makeup, I'm say eyelash. Me, I don't love those things. I love my lipstick and then my makeup powder. And you know, don't be like me, be you. Okay? Me just also pay. But I say, call how or bed dress so real good. Okay? Alright, I don't pay young faster that and farmer OD4 AV4 bar Samson Kwekwe Papa or Japicrum. Also this she be an argument mocano or any normal basa mobro why young kai crown 4. Papa saying I send on tea to Americana Yamra Japicrum, maybe pay more Japicroma or Beboy and Tadi Sheme di Diumun Sunumunano, Wafa Abone Bosse. We should just come. We should just come. Yeah, Diane say you be drew her, not you drew her, obey fine. Me pacho. Ye busia for na sebi well timun say adrenimo aya BCBC one time, you know, go there and Papa is ready to, you know, help you or the body and no banana ha buy and do sinu tehin no and no market can boom and or the best so just go or bebo me say our drop bot japicrum. Did you hear that? Drop bot japicrum. So we do on one idea or the friend number na e that screen so no or be fat no no we do come simple wire Obema obi aba be foul na odo ko no akọ support so what I say ye ma me kra for sebe son sebe nya ajo asese ne mo ayedin edidi mo nta de hye mo ntime frɛ mo frɛ no o say adoma chede no obo ade nyankopon de ache no enti oya omre na omre soda so just go there as I say. All right papa anopa yicha na ye da say papa wo ne aweye ede emaye dem fast de biome enfama ni sack professional painting e brand painting papa dia look nowhere obviously look no further, look nowhere. That's what I want to say. What dan say obefre ni sack professional painting. So people with painting now on my already say one mono every month here within 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, and you are done. Go home. So don't waste your time. It's now and child bribe you are brutal, papa you are brutal before. Now to was 5 years, 6 years. Let's just say papa me foul. And then easy. Even there is no easy. And you can't. Na Ghana phone been per se but baby anyo baby ayedin nti so wo ha no bi so ba be fa no me fa wa baby your ma so that you can be free. What I say ade efe then say one kasa no wutimi wo ho haro. What I say simple and capre wo wutimi nya open mpaboa bi otimi tobi open wig bi otimi tobi open perfume bi otimi tobi what you say dance what ho na de bia de brakabra adaroma onye momo be 50 Ghana mame brakabra ntodi de bia be sesefo. I'm telling you the truth. I'm telling you the truth. When the sack no mount it here de bia me say paint adwuma no enya flat rate o enya fixed price. What I say the wow pay bia no e no na be charge. The ope biano and I'll be charging. So you be a juma. That's all born in 2,000, 3,000, 1,500. Depends on how you really want to take the money. The partner beats me in one camp. I show to me so cra. O 1,080 crown. You still have money. And comforted or saying a macro even 200 Ghana a day. I buy a juma for. Ask them. Now no mammy be a zoom line or see ACD say day. Yeah, money 250 Ghana at the end of the month. And no crown abosumen chrono. No zoom line of phone to farmer home. Ye mamma prepare street, my ye empatem near street and what's on in Saint Chomo. I think any second man I was winking Yamrosa. Sebia son Sebia Yado. I'm not saying the old our mother should go and do that, but I ask them comfort on her. But what I say, Timmy sauce a finish sack no quantity and one on. Maybe I may come, Miss Madame for Rama Sia painted more can Westy. Osiako, Miko baby, I mean, maybe a bank edge, my pie and my bread. May me paint a juma. And then, Rama is a painter, driving good car, living a good house, living her life so adorably. And to toy finish sack for my number that's going to 0243338204 0243338204 Frenny sack professional painting na yemma entity edwumako me no we na no pe wo ma jebre de o musika asoma. I know somebody people are asking hey na Dorifa Pedro kakra o se oko obesamba inti anope Dr. Dorifa anope icha papa nyakopo onyu fra domo enkwa domo onye wakoma so ade nyina emfa emmawo na wadaroma onye wakoma so ade nyina emfa emmawo oh baby obia Dr. icha papa I know say obe sanso aba well anope yebedi Ghana hon komo Ghana komo yebedi no fe de si say dia okupie mo mrahye bedwafia aye de hu twuma mentwe efiti na no ya wada Thursday no na nyansem keto akra obi klemu you know. Forgive me, supremacy be I can say majority, minority caucus in parliament say there almost Mukuta say, you know, say 136 and I just say minority for Ikra 135 and you know Mukuta majority or parliament, so they will do everything possible to protect you know majority now or Mukra. No baby say any the insebi. And no be ma about no man when na and a minority phones say ya sebi son sebi enyado mo de no so ehwan ba akono ene ade de bebre na almost seat bakoma komensa and era abamba be declare say wo mu nyina no aye vacant almost say wo mu ekọ akogina for a independent a coming 2024 election na sebi son sebi enyado san komono yebedi what is their guarantee? Do they think that probably when they go for independence it will be okay for them leaving their various political parties or bibi no mo super so mo ya na? Well, we'll talk much more this morning. Emira Kamasan waba betina sia no pay enche bia me mana kwaba na afi no yabo era yenkomo no mo anope. Me motivational medema is look for something to do. Yes. Look for something to do. What if I quite to this? So I will still say that. Look for something to do. Pebri be your time and time waits for no man. Time and time, it waits for no man. And I was 2 times I wish I could turn back the hand of the clock. What are you talking? What was the time, you know? You wish. We are not going back home. We are going forward. Yes, we are going forward. So please, look for something to do. And don't waste your time. I didn't know episode 1. Start now. Start now. Start now. Watch the woman. Watch the man. Can we get married? And I say, it is unnecessary. But if you don't start now, You will not get there. What I say? Am I making sense? Pacho, PBBO. Obi na person of Canada, I'm watching now. Okay, oh, ni suba intimate me na nante. Ne kasa yede. Na no mo yedu. Me nsa mo nkwa abonte. So let me be friends with her or him. You start now. Everything. Start now. Jumati to the mpo ne hear me. Pebribi yo. Me no ano man, mo ma yem pebribi yo. Na sebi yam pebribi anwa ye be ya sosofo. The biane ye say your boy siska. E basa odono. E so te, I'm telling you. Because e Diana de me boy no hwe me na de. Yes. And responsibility over here. Now let me give you one gist. If you're a woman, now with me show ho, with me told bibia, I swear to God. She now me say bisa be man na de ebuo no ya ne more den. E wo me say many bi on mo no o mo say chi to say boy mi sa no fa ma da. Stingy men, we have stingy men. O nim se mo no anyu so na adwen se be son se be nya do. O lady wa ba me nche ko ma menya ne fine. Me ne pie o isuka o jitofu ebia o jito 10 liters bi go kemu. These are the petty things that makes the women love you guys the more. And now also lady wants to know guy pie no when the baby out for the bills. And so man, what do we do? Ye de bia ye pese ye free me man ho enye. To pay bribi ya. Now one so sponsor be man once open so wow, this lady is sweet. This lady is good. And my men so men force years over timidi. E be man no mo ye so enlightened na mo ye so many atero. Oba show mom dey bi. A day bi no ye 1 2 3 so man ye careful be timidi. I should be jimenu munyam. I'm telling you, we be man also ntimi ho ge ntimi ho yira. We don't jiwa no munya wo ndi buo ebuo ni ho. Because na bi ni ho nso e wom sa. But ye nyina ye balance. Wo hwem kakra ma hwe kakra. Hwem kakra ma hwe kakra. Na ade ye wote wo na me hwe otenkom. Abe ga meja o. Meja ola. Ti me so e ma no me page man ye mani titu kwa ne hia me. E mani titu. And me question for the day. Ye ma me bia enra ofre me. Ye be di nkom. You asumneti asem. Enra ofre me. Bushia no party bi ase. And I say, Diane, I want to walk KUMAWOOD no. I'm so partial. And I say, oh, ure mo ni me share one. I'm say, enye me baby. I'm so mama any obana. Emia ni. Mama match me so hear me because me catch her say me story na mouth. I'm so me ya mouth. We say me so ba, we me so last born. Enti wa me da se enti oba preko be enokate fam pade ba akono de no na mo ye ndafo enti me pie fie enokate o enti because you also look similar like my mom though just say o me do same mama but monimu no ene mo kala no ese pa na me ma me asemo kan so say akọ okwa ko bisa watif o say oni ni kunu e ware for 45 years. See you 45 years. Eduananum years. And na enkwala mako ensia and on ni kunu no ewoye. And na ni kunu so na okura ne ma mienu. Ono so also ko ware papa no. Papa no won ne ma mienu. And on ne papa no awu nsia aka ho. Na o maye saying 8. No say Diane, me mano mi kunu mano. Wo mo nyinyine se me medie no, nti medie mo nyina ye me ma. Nti me mano eye nwotwe. Obi a nim se na mi kunu no kra no, na o ma mienu. E na ode o mo be ware me. Man chirem. Nti me mano kra mo nyinyi nyina no mo nim se wo mu nua mo mpanimfo ni. Na nsen ya wo mo papa firi mo no. E na o mo tese say na say be son say be nyado na papa kra we mo ye nuam we no fi different mother e na ye nso nsia we nsia mama ye mama ni no say ni kunu no a civil servant it could be a civil servant civilian mama nka ne say ti say that me papa do hine we civil servant no oye adwuma council e be ka say KMA eni ade ehona na papa ye adwuma nti na dada nso so no me ma mi a wafa me be wo se me send last morning ono nso ni kunu no no civil servant to say Diane na men so me bo me homoden ye na ye kra duku eba kurom ha first duku ribbon said bobo ye tim duku wo da so boni ade ye mfiten a ene ye bosi ye mama sene ye ba na ye sad we na ye hu say so aha o say me na me kraba nti ye maami wa bobra no say o sisi fie be ye oni kunu be hia no no ye say adwuma no papa na nyini mu no bo na chido ene so kwakwan so kra papa ni timi kwatena shop na o hwe shop no e de mana oni ni kru no kakra but o say nka gumi kwani mu ase me ku no support me no sika eduru ba bia na mum na me do me ku papa enye jeze mi hu ni so yes civil servant oni ni pay yes ne so me ne dada tena ya no se mesifie be na ya senum e wo kuma ase fofi anto ata emu nsase a mentimi ansi ena dada efrim o se dada efrim mu a ye no da ye na kwasi ada no na abusuafo omo nsabode ne ye je no eye memene da enu kwasi ada ni nyina no na tintin me summarize me brain nti no kwasi ada no no omo tabusuafo no tam sika ni nyina ne ade no mo this nsabode ngum kwa me nim din kra ena money box no so aha thank you Mr. Kamasan omo ta money box kakraka no mo de ko shade no mo tum no mo ka chense maame no o se maame pe baby tina o sini na opportunity na eye ne sere o si do that the film na media yo no so ade na abusuafo ne ye no na eye me so simpacho yo me da mase no mo de abusuafo ne disika box no money box no e ko shade dem na ni omo kenkom no manyina omo kan scan so omo nya sen so omo de betudwa so omo fa metudwa obey say Diane na ma ye din na me mani nyina say ama ada na busafo yansa me se munye din ka che me munu anu sia say munye din na busafo kenkan sika nyina wi mama story na me kan yo mu wiye afei edan ho nkrata wo mo so mo je so mo won se papa no efie nan ne de o mu say oh say na efie nan japade mu nsase ni mu ka si de ene wo mo gini nyina na nko mo decide so mba mo ba ni bi so mba wonu nkonsan so mba ni den yo no mo so mo penkrata ni nyina na ma me se dan abute bia mo wi ase no mimu ye na mnim de menya because ma na anyo se me kra menya sikasa amena bu me so me nyina wonu amu nyina wo mo ankasa wo mo ayeye wo mo akotento wo mo bocha besi so mo fie enti se nkwa mo jom papa ajapade kwa papa ne mo gini nyina kra me di o mo sisi nyina se nkam timi kodem na me ye din no mo so mpenkrata na me se ko yi nkrata nyina fa badam na me se monye lawyer betina ho na afi wo mo status ha na sem no wo mo status o mo kenkan fo mo kan a na kwesi se edan we na ya boni di me mo ma din my media edan we my media as nkrata ni mu nwoma ni mu chro kronkron no we my media we my media we my media na papa ni sa chro krata sa to so se oda ne yira se papa se wonwu nani mu ase na one na tena wa bra na oni bi nyina wetima ye japade we nyina no amo bi anti tinyakopon ye de ichisaru sa chro sakrata ni nyina de toso afedi abusuafo yi ye kan wu sadan we nyomo de no ma hwomonim omo se omo twa wrong meet asase onye omo de omo twa wrong meet afi wo mu ni atute afi ye ba papa ho e maami ho se na efie no wo ba wo mu bi ana wo mu bi ana oba wo mu nkonsa ana wo mu nkonsa ana asase no de bi ba ma wo mu ana ka sesi fie hoi ono atoto ne makoye ya doctors wo mu lawyer fo wo mu tete wo mu land no mu US say mama say abusuafo ye ne saa no obi say tie fo say Japade no ofri na kuma mu no ncho mu bi ana se onye de family ni nkomwe abushia sebi son sebi enyaado e ma bi kwa aware a Japade be mo na abushia abo aboso ye refi se baba no wo ho no one na yire na tie ono aduane ma no sebi son sebi enyaado osiesie fie oye bibia one ne wo ma yade ba yese wo na ne wo yire ade na ne yire wontina ne ho me won se obi akwa aware o sebi son sebi enyaado wayare a be ma yare a ninu ya ba bia na ne busuafo bi da bia wo musi wo yete se ne yire o mbesi ni pieto ye ne bibi ada wo bo be sa ne bra ano be sa ne sister no ko obo odi na mienu na miensa no ko na so sebi anu sisuma so mpanifo mani ma be ma ta wona bo say yes ya bo aboso adan na busua bi motesa enti ma mi si mi sa mo say e Japade no fi na kuma mu bi ana say one dog wo mo no mo kom baby e kwan o mo tam money boss no kura e di kwakwa chefie edan mu e pam ma me no na mse ma mbisa sentiment sky head o say oh daya me de ye die enkra na be yo mo papa ye fe and somebody and me de ye de me ameka say me misa wo na maka say ka ba ya na e ka ma because me nim say ka ma eti family nkomo 0202668461 ami akwa aware abusuafo be jinsa abode nyina free ni sem e de ko hye dan mu e kan ne yanto dwampo se enya 40,000 50,000 se enya asen e ko wiase e Japade nyina na omunim se wo mo busuani na omo nua be ma no wo mo afase omo ade nyina ne dia na omo frɛ maame so fa ne nkrata amra na maame ne de file nyina akoma wo mo na fe lawyer kwa kenkan ya se papa no Japade nyina anya papa ne de maame ne dia afi yeni mu hantwo we hwe ne yonko anim a na we ahwe ne yonko anim we hwe ne yonko anim a na we ahwe ne yonko anim enti no omo hu say they have fight a losing battle maame simi misa say e Japade no fi na kuma mu onche omo bi ana say onye den from ne ni nkomo osofo sasra kusra da mechia o baby awo bia mpapa opambo mechia wate misu azonze mama amomu abele na bevri adon abo atso abo baby a gas no wono e ho na mfiri mechia mo nyina nya me yira be kpakpakpa no obo abede bia abele ye nwomo lo ye kpale ovo ma be mikrofo bo asefo mecheche won no sekunefo ma me Cecilia okwetimiti mecheche we nyina obo asefo nya me che no kate ade ache me da se wate se waso me mu abotra kwanya me hrawo nya sa enka asumesi so me pa ka me da be ye adwuma o si radio adwuma TV adwuma fa akola anye na waje me so na waso me mu ma me na me hrawo na o ma nkwa tenten wate awo batampa de mode ma wano no wate nya me hrawo papa from ne nkomo na ya na bedwafo guta no so mechecha mo be kwaifo mechecha mo aduana ba asante Reverend Martin mechia mo nyina no pay Kobi fe yase mechia mo nyina kila kuma ase mechia mo nyina mo from ne nkomo na sese bia busua bitimi de ya ade ya yese e de kwakoye ma menye se ka Japade no nyam yese ye ne dia ka busua fo beji nyina na mo rafi se maami akwatena ware ase 45 years aduana num. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Wadaroma manu kakra nana ni ana.
Oh, that's your firm something like that's the Eastern region.
Mpacho yo
yenti.
Okay, yenti wano pay something. Pacho mo anon ko yetie o.
Yo. Wadaroma, say maame no uchi ni kase mo. Maame no akoma papa. Maame no akoma papa na jemena kan se benifonu su president busafonu su no mususu ye no. Omo tinya nyina ginenta. No mo ahu se oba na tena be ma ho. Kusi se be ma no ewuye. Na omo tinya nya ginempo ne akukuru sikari nyinara. Ade akwa akọ demo. Se omo bo oba kuranfo na boro na nyame ncha de oba no so sa ne na koma pa ane na ho brase na wa support ni ku na bisite ni ku no e fi acha sapati aso no ya ka bia me gidi se ma me no ne papa no womba
sa
nsia o wa na busia no sempampo because enkwala no so no o mo nyi ka na mo promo de kwa na o mo na no mo bi enye den o mo so ma bi o mo na no ma de eti ma me do wo bia no ma ne mabusia no kit ma ne mom kasre bampo wo mo be da se de
nyame sha papa Samson e wo si am anwele ma me hu o mo susu ya mo de bae e be jejapade nyina afini e be pam no na mo so mo de we ena ya na me mejika no bisa se na won so de nya de hia ni monkoya mo de abusuafo a motesa monkoya mo de na munua mo japade na mo fasifo ja na mo babo so monkoya mo de na nkrofo mepre ana na mo yesa hello na mama tina ware say 45 years mama kokwan su yese na be ma bo na chido ne na tete wo munani mase emema bebre sebi wo mu ni kapre na nso wo mo yiri no mo na support wo mo se ne be ya o ye hu wo mo ntro yetimi kofa mema be boyfriends na fiancés they don't have anything but because we love them we want to protect them to want say some money from abrabo mo ne ngwase aka wo mo afena nkrofo ye hu wo mo ntro say eh se na geli na no support no se na obaye na support no ebi no so no but na be ma ho support na civil servant na sebio ma kokwan so a mu names the secret behind obia was secret on the relationship mo bia was secret minimum obia on your be ma tena Ghana o dating no na be ma oba no sebie so sebie nyado no owokunu e wa abrochi no hwe guy no ni dating wo Ghana na no se guy yi de na chi bi ni ho na nim bi ni ho ba dating pen makwa abrochi se na wasam ye me ya no obefa boy ni free Ghana e de ne kwa abrochi ho enye so no kotena so mo twempren but oboa no na so minim se wanka wonye na wonim afi de obefa boy no koye no afi na boy ne na ya kakura onu yes boni ayefo na bi no boni ayefo bema nti ne e ma ni bebre se se yenso de ya join na ba relationship nim enti ye wo bi empese e beboa because of boni aye nkrofo yiye nti so e bi no it's very bad na nko what date no won say oh guy dey no chi no te kuma say dey no kapre ebusua kra ya nyada ne sa ono na mokwa obe fa boy no say me no won twemp na sebi na makodu abucha ho ye mmobo ge yi pray ya ye connection be fa bra yi no ko London oh me ga land na yo de London okodu ho no ma no o kire sister no ne ya aka wa friend da na wo say nipa we inje be ya ma no baka say you nyami shira wa nyami shira no krenche ne nyami shira papa no de ma za no hello good morning
yes sir
yenti wa no pay who to say Kobe
Nyankopon adum pa minister
yenti wa no Nyankopon adum yenti o
minister on say we are boni kumbonefo
sa
na wa mobla mo abuso ma mobla no musuban etitai ti pa wa nyuni ko ni ho na se mo dwene mo de a duana na ebu abomu duana mo ka se emumbo ma ko ni na atene ba mo amoso nti ma mene de make na se misani kusiku ni unimne so de pin kura ba ni pin kura me buana na mbibisa no
oh
maybe ofon kutinyanka umtawo do ofon kutinyanka na nyame nhira no ebuzo no mu yiri kabi na no 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 kono ba mo we nyame bitua ne ka
nyame nhira from any income 0202668461 so me fa be two calls na mabedwa fire crado Mira Kamasan or Ashanti Regional Communication Team member for the National Democratic Congress Amanyoko Kese NDC. Hello, good morning. Hello,
good morning.
Good morning, my dear. Pachodini, baby, are frame free.
Okay, your friend Eric. You can separate from.
Show you. Eric, ain't you?
Mameno. Mane fashe mano. Yeah, because onfa ensabodie no. Onfa nko to. On forget you omukura.
Mentio ho Eric, mentio ho. All right, yeah, that's it. Yeah, for last caller na fe so in somebody no mafa mo de mo fan somebody na no so for the japade. Senko ba enka mo ye say na enka japade ni nyina no be ma ne dia enka busua ka ma wonu nkonsa. Abusua bi ti modin o. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Good morning. Oba ma odi zoyin.
Nana nyame adome ho ye na so
O isu ado me se na me ma o be bia obi a nyame ma o papa odi de bo asantena. Na from sa o ma chi bia ko studio nyame o kase.
Amen.
Ojuma dia odi na me sre me kasa kakra. Na me gino ho me ntia se sa brabo no ya na ndipa ne bi ho no ma o si so a o mo ntia mo temu mo bra. O mo nua no mo japade na de ni atoto. Ndipa de o si so a nyame abo se ndipa no o fo so be ye wo japade. Akwara bemba me wo fa ba ko. Achepa oye na japade nyina wi no sia obabi ware ne na wo ba. Ye wo fa ne wu ye de na japade ni nyina ma oba. E busu ka se no. E wu nya se fa ne pi ana bi de tisa. Ye de japade ni nyina sia so ma oba no. Ye me no ka se ma si na mpo be nu agwa komensia.
Wow, nyame
so le ma met pi mu kwa na ya ye ya de se mi na mpene ko. Ye de japade be ma yimi na mo ketwa. Ye mpene ko ye kan wu bi. Things in the process were tilting on board brown house. We did the Mauma. When I miss her, no, no, can share the video with you.
So beautiful. Yeah, Fakovia, a DM, a day, Usiswa, a house support it. Now, Mutifina, Sebi, son Sebi, and Yado, Busebi, Monimuao. Yedi, here, ni, Mon Promode, Namo Mamma Pre. Nama, me, our power, 45 years, Nenukunu. I won't be Munsia. Na nukuni sade yinkwala mienu sade ne baware na wampo mo na ono akone ne kwanso China kwanso abobra ma mi papa ni hia ne nyina na obone bradada kra duku bakrum ha first. I know people know this is what I'm talking about. Na de mo de japade edu so de a papa ifri mu de ne maba nsabode Sunday abusa mutumi tam nsabode ko hyedem amofre kunafo enka se kurani yenya seyo obo kasen chese ne mana ye yigu abrocha banti no you don't care ekowi ase musanse moje edan nyina ho krata mama si yo kopeja fa nyina ba o se abusian pacho file ni emonye ba ku di eche jonjonjonjon ko bi papa na daka so ena eja ye yi ma wo mo afi mu kokan a mo nse wei meyere dia edan wei meyere dia asasi wei meyere dia car way me won say practically no ma me na tuto ni bibia because papa no sebi 7 e pay ese papa ko je do hin o no ni pay ese pensioner first kura na 7 nya me na ya adum bebre na ko mu wie kura dan ko mu timi sibi mako ya hi dan so be no na o ma ye mobobe wan na wawu ya wa nyo ba papa bia ma na nta wachi a we 7 o timi top plot mpo na wasifie. Because how much is the salary? Yes, minimum Jamaica. So, I feel the money mu hancho. Mubako anambeba. Na mama so misa yimbisa say nka oma omo dan ni bia no mom bibia because do me. Mama, emma wo mu foko. Nye di hie ni. Mukosimu de na mama mra na omo pre. Busua motesa munyai na ya kam ho. Ya kam ho. Wati. And I'm a catch me na me just see na me say mama be blast mo TV so busa ba mo tsa mo ye ya le ba mo se na yire ntina ho no hwe no na yire be hwe sim no ma titi ni bini sabio mini papa bia na yire de bia na yire peja no wa bone tata ma sabi wa kwaja na so ene ya busa ba mo timu fie mo so hwe na yire no no wa no edu saka papa ni sabi we free mu a kan ba be kasa mo be je japade ana mo metina wa me bone tata amunya isa na nyefe asabo sabe asaje baba oh yeah Ashanti Regional Communication Team member for the new patriotic party Amanyuko Kesie MPP if you boko I can see at one you sa yeda nyame ase
Sunny. Say echo never. When me ultimate Nancy, itima we bibia.
Okay.
Now they are said I'm trading upon Yankopon, so what work at us for. You better Yankopon says.
Yeah.
My father when you swatch ashe for. Minua baby wo.
Okay.
Call Adansia so kwa.
Okay. Mikro mkwanso.
Amiaso.
Okay.
Your friend Madam Felicity, woman organizer, MPP woman organizer, or show then. That's what I'll show up. Madam Felicity, which shall not pay. Would you say, oh, a chair and siaso for you and on Kitty Hammer.
Okay.
The fireman. Shall not much Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Go up pro boom den. Dr. Matthew Puku Prempe, or also Bar Pro. And the president of the Republic of this country, Bema Boadan, Bema Winsin Suman San Wahan. Waham Nanado Danko Kufuado. See, on so a Jinima War Bar Pro den. Now, Medin Chiaso Ama chairman, Untumi, the governor of Ashanti region.
Okay.
Metcharan Penmacha chairman at the Kuka on so. And MPP communication director, Poyando. Makongo Vijano of parliamentary candidate or Honor, a friend of Frankie Bois.
Okay.
Or on Smithana Machia, MPP fraternity in Ghana for you and the Anope. Amachia, Minia, Minibishia, Mecha on Sona, Machia.
Mira, come on, son. I shan't say the communication TV for the National Democratic Congress. Amanyuku Kessie, NDC.
The largest and the biggest.
The largest and what?
Biggest opposition party.
But you guys are all biggest.
You're all big. Majority become minority. I don't know. They did not.
Is that why you're just saying that? Oh, see.
So
okay.
Yeah,
lady. My darling.
Bibi Aboko. Yeah, the Evedanya say was a my inquafo for dia.
Beautiful.
I said, I'm one at the Bemano.
Yeah.
A Besha, Mechia, His Excellency, the former president of the Republic of Ghana, now the leader and the flag bearer of the National Democratic Congress. Coming December, Yenina Ebekwa Salai Etwaba, Ediamano, say, Obesabe D, or Mampeni, or Ghana have bill for the second time. Now, what me be implementing the Formula 133, which is one job, 3 people and 3 shifts. Now, at me be boy, na Ghana abe fanen to my pafra. Now, I'm a free honor, my constituency, and I'm a parliamentary candidate, Honorable Eric Esibe. Honorable Eric Esibe. Nemachiano, Nejumapa, Oye, Edeboa. Kwadaso and Kwadaso NDC members. Say this is a timer. Babeseti, NDC for Babeseti record Kwadaso constituency. Yes, betu abano edi amano. Na in the first time since 2004 abe permanent Kwadaso for Anya member of parliament in the ticket of NDC. Na watimia ko parliament no ko share embra no pre inputu edi aba Kwadaso about to I think say this is the time I was a Ghana for the 2 months na omoye communal labor na metio makao ne sanya manyama no yen kaye ho bom na ntimi pre 2 minu se 2 minu ba na ye hu hawa ye be che menua ba ko bi o ye frɛ no William Ayim onu so world coordinator e okokode Zema Washeye the Honorable Peter Asumi one also a director of housing or project or Agric College Institute no emo Michelle Munina nipa bebre but time no anyhow intimi enchia o Munina.
All right.
But I think you say that is what I was say lady last 2 weeks NDC
okay
asa sheme enimunyam kese pa sana se adwuma ye no eye nne na ye be di ehun faso gi se echina me wo ho na mpanyifo no free nkran na besi region na omo besi me constituency chairman so na omo se ye wo ekubi a ye frɛ no NDC voter caucus Ashanti sana se NDC fapim ana ahyiase no every angunamemu. And at the end of the year, the year need a portfolio. Rebecca Sebia. Zungu caucus the way I SCTNA to Musabano, but we've been appointed until this time around. Omabe appointed me as a coordinator or the chairman of voter caucus of Koowaa Show constituency. From now on going, I am the voter caucus coordinator for Koowaa Show constituency. So I think say Madam Pennyfoni very soon it be inauguration and certification ceremony. I think say
congratulations to you so very much. Of course.
And my Minia
Wajoso.
Your friend say
your friend Osajefo. Osajefo Michelle and this is my first time of okay, that's fine.
I think say should not ever call one.
Anyway, so straight away 15 minutes after 6 a.m. we're going all the way till 8 a.m. Abono Chebe sorry na dwumede total sonsono ye de atwaso e de amamo anope. But straight away your topic for discussion, so we will jealously protect our new majority status at forcing and the Atuja. And I would love to read a little bit of the story for you to understand before I boy room. So the minority leader in Parliament, Dr. Kesel Atuforsen, has actually reaffirmed his caucus determination to actually defend the performance or the parliamentary majority despite a Supreme Court ruling that actually temporarily hits that's a decision by the Speaker of Parliament, Alban Babin. The controversy actually arose after Speaker Babin on Thursday, October 17th, declared 4 parliamentary seats that's vacant, and this was due to this sitting members of Parliament, MPs, announcing their intention to contest the 2024 general elections as independent candidate. And additionally, the second deputy speaker, Andrew Amwako Esiama, who actually originally entered Parliament as an independent candidate, stated his plan to actually contest the upcoming election under the banner of the New Patriotic Party, MPP. And of course, because of that, when you go to Parliament House, I want to furthermore say that, however, the Supreme Court in anonymous decision ruled to stay the execution of Speaker Babin's declaration, thereby preventing the immediate vacancy of the seat and of course maintaining the current parliamentary numbers. Into copim or Maship Bejefia, I think say NDC Ekra majority now, I think say 136 and the MPP is having 135, because of that they say they claim the supremacy, they're going to protect, they are jealously going to protect the majority. Just one pay, and how much I say we I say, this people come outside is laughing at me. I'm so bad to my bomb. That's what I'm not throwing shit though, but then I say, I'm one no, and you easy almost say them cry, say kotakra or mukuta majority, or when they are basically they're going to protect. That now I don't besides say I don't know more when you have banana and then the end of bro. Is it going to have a change in Parliament depending on some decisions on the banana? And I say coffee. Come on, sir. Oh, now the way you didn't hide it. Why you haven't issued me?
Oh,
and best some Bibiana.
no, lady.
Yeah.
Yes,
15 minutes.
Me that's it, and then I know you. Asema Kasela to force an hour here, current majority leader, and the other two jay. Say sanity. Now, at the end of this, I kind of press conference as a discussion with him. None we are. Yeah, you say according to Article 7 Plot 1G, say ye to aba at the mao in the ticket of a political party and now they call parliament. Now we decide say this time around no me sa party no enye juma bio but me kwa independent a chere we say o seat no ye be declare vacant. Now two say ye to abama as an independent candidate now they ba parliament. Now I feel the wide grand sisan we say o sisi e die e we say me de me ho e de e join another political party still a chere we say o seat no still ye be there you be declare no vacancy and no na your friend no cross carpet no nti actually so one move from one place to another nti actually say by election no I was say aside there omo year by election and at the same constitution of the 1992 constitution say you declare and say anyama ni see within 6 months to election then there wouldn't be by election.
Okay.
There wouldn't be by election. That was the reason why Siamadi no yantimi anya by election because there's 6 months to election. Yeah. So there is no need for a by election. Till that seat was vacant till you call 2020 election. Now mind you say Siama came to parliament in the ticket of MPP.
Exactly.
Ena echiri mo ye de mo declare ni seat vacancy ena oko independent ye de esaba back oba back no o ye tu abani wi e ho na obo say NPP and NDC 137 plus independent no na akokwe to the MP the moment that particular person independent and decided say obey business with MPP no I will say you declare the seat no vacant but I said the same Michael Kwe that time no ono ye MPP speaker of parliament ni ti no obon ni goes wan fa anya juma and a parliament ye free be separation of power executive no e wo omodie legislature ewo omodie and judiciary ewo omodie ebacho bejem bibia omuye bia no they are being governed by their own law which is called standing orders. Now sanyema nyina esie nti say ebia for example previous speakers no omu ruling no binding the current speaker say obe use omumu we no obe follow omudie no ono so ewo tumi a ode be de obeye ono ana de. Now you find say 2020 and MPP for eluzui 2020 election and omo luzui de tina mekasa ne say 2020 and ye enya speaker of parliament NDC enya speaker of parliament. Okay. Now, yes, I bear any more. Obo say na omu bibia omu ye bia no na ensisi so. E chire obekwe say we ni bofu we no wo ye de ye hwe mame we a safo katanka neba. Hwe de wo ye o parliament. Wonti kuruma. Mame a ya to aba emano say onko eko represent ne constituent. Now at the end of the day, what two African akotena bruchiri enjoy ne home.
That's a past tense.
Past tense.
That's a past tense.
Record.
But he asked permission.
Permission from who?
And of course.
Permission from
sorry, I no koye. I want cry will be also
even then majority leader papa we friend say they will resign yansana. Chairman Sambosu. Emma Crawford to car. Two plane eko abrochire ko pa mama we cho say brad na yenye business o to mama we say that member never china adentia no imagine post as a deputy majority leadership no african himself nti ne buofu nti say o man fa position na mana onye de o mbaga na bio copy me say election we bansana we de obai o say be pa church yogurt e de man Crawford say o munye de.
That's not what we're discussing today.
Enti dia ye pa kire ne say Yeah, and now you declare the majority in parliament now by Bagwe, the speaker. As I say, Marano Saaneka. That is Article what 110 of the Standing Orders of Parliament. And see, one not taking the decision. By saying a Supreme Court, place injunction on it. Says Gentia. Because he said, Omuna share Mran, so I nuntiana. Anytime be a MPP, any phobia no what Johnny, Akoshe, Supreme Court or compare interpretation. This article does not need interpretation.
Supreme Court people don't go there.
I am saying, say, this article in the Constitution does not need interpretation. Clear, black and white. So, yeah, be prevent. And no na Kaselato for the majority leader now. Catch Ghana for you now say, be preserve, be protected. Because ye name strongly say a China Bagbe will stay to the ruling. On Sisabi be every because the judiciary or the chief justice does not have a jurisdiction to the parliament issues. And was stay in no jurisdiction. Now yes, the parliament is so excellent the jurisdiction. I don't think our person will interfere. Oh, be our krumha. Ena ECD assembly ba say yemfa beset emfa registration. Ye wo Ghana ha certificate a yede ma as a citizen of Ghana. The number one beset. Jemensa excellence frakadam Grim katashise any proye adukru MPP amamuno. Say enwa na ye use eno emfanye registration. Yesterday seminar cream and MPP to America at the assembly ekoda Supreme Court. So omupe interpretation no ekoba say omube de ombeji omu MPP for the etum because omu say omu na majority inti chief justice no so say omu afa ono it's been appointed by what Adana Dodankwa Akufo-Addo inti e was say oye ne beden instead of say obey fairness or if it's obey periphery instead of obey use emra no or the party lanes no ahye ye nyama esefata but the can say see yeah, majority from 2020. From that time, abe pemine kopim 2028. Yeah, beguswa ye majority.
That's how you see it.
Now people, do you think that they will win this election?
No, do you think you also win the election?
That is it.
Ghanaians will just.
Ghanaians are fed up. Ghanaians are fed up with this government.
If I am fed up, I won't come and tell you. So that one you can't.
Oh,
judge.
madam,
you have to
we go around so. Enra.
So are you saying then people don't go around?
Enra. She bantama bonte. Worker, yeah, a bit see okrum had that.
Did you see the work MPP did in Bant?
Yes, I was going to a sister station that day. I
So
passed
you
through with
saw
my
it.
NDC uniform.
So you saw it.
Because the youth are hungry for power.
Oh,
The youth are hungry for power. Yesterday, when you see Bantama town, Obo will say, I am green and white. Baby. Oh, and you say your bomb is 34 million Ghanaians. Yes, also the woman say, they see, they say she was sitting in network papa. Sana omuka 2016. She obotum network papa. Sa time no na CD no 390 pesos.
They say CD no. The way I say more bia more kase bia na CD no na dollar no na there no. Are you guys going to bring the dollar to like 4 Ghana cedi or 5 Ghana cedi when you come to power?
Yeah, my mention wa there be. I say speed no so. Ye wo aban mo no from Kufuor time about NDC no. Na CD na 1 CD to
Martin na say.
Very but ye the 8 years no, ye the 3 CD per and account.
And I make us say yeah. I said, I'm here from had the forward ever.
Very good.
I said, we are doing backwards, and you say, yes, sir.
Sanity.
Because me try picture me try 1 year ago, 2 years, every time.
Yeah.
Sanity.
Day in, day
but
out.
But you people are not seeing it like that because some Mohian is can be when say, Sebio, Amemono, men come will be out by me, Sebia Memosi, Bukoyanim. I win Janet.
Yeah, who knows? I say, yeah, who knows? Yeah, who knows? Say, quiet, yeah, who knows?
To me, besides, in this case, when people come as you claim, die, and I see, you know, and a dollar, no, mobile, what the back was saying.
Lady Diane. Say starting from
there be
let's say what kind of sad now can say you need matia and won't tie dey me pese me kire wo ne say dey pese me kire wo ene say 2012 2008 2009 10 11 12 13 14 16
up to now
and at that time no na Akufo-Addo ebokuru eko rounds no yes you see deny hata you see deny you see your economy na tete apansan ene sa nyama no omun time people na omun dwene say ye ko enim and as that time na omun nim say ye ko enim enu nyina mu say akosuru
good and say no maybe say as the biggest opposition party that wants to come back to power. You've been to power before.
Yes.
You've been in power before. And Ghanaians voted you out.
Yes.
And now you're saying Ghanaians
voted out because they branded Akufo-Addo in the high package. And with lies. You catch your kurum has lady. You catch your kurum has Akufo-Addo. O ni sika dada o mepe Ghana sika bia. Ye okuruma na mu ka kire ye say Mahama time no on the ministers no 82 o mu say onya ade ye wo ha e na mu ka kire ye say Akufo-Addo emberane families and friends enene Akufo because of promises Akufo-Addo ne ba omia e dey ba no eno ne ma ye kasa asem ne o.
I love that.
Are
you people not also promising now say moba and na mobema a tertiary education or first years na mo so mo flag bearer kase oba obey ni free meba and say pledges dey bia nti say no say mo so mo ba na mo antimi anya enye bia no
wonim say
so now
Mahama say ma ka say tertiary school no obey ni free no progressive wonim dey tell me ka say progressive was say first year Mahama Bibi Okano. I say MPP and some of Ghanaians who are hypocrites, no, they don't try to. Yes, because they don't want to say the truth. They don't want to say the reality. So they see the reality, but they close their eyes, close their ears, and doesn't want to listen. Somebody who claims he's a teacher.
You are not answering my question for me.
No, you see,
maybe it's a simple question. You, whatever the promises, everybody as a politician.
Very good.
The promises about is that not it? So the Ghanaians will know what you have.
Yeah.
That when we vote for you, come and give to us. Good. Now I'm asking that. Say most $1 no. And I see you know, and I see a costume. We all know. Now, when we call some confirm, my moon says some sense social.
Yes.
And Sanas. Now, Moba, what the Becos saying? Let me question now.
That is the good governance. Good governance. Who is a better manager of the economy? And the massa and she any in I
mo di beba se mo be ye shisha ma
me can't a show way so an TV station way catch Ghana for say me the beba 3 me the beba 2 me the beba 4 but at the end of the day me ebe put proper measures ebe manyama ede akoso e Ghana for ho that is what we are talking about. Mahama is not promising something that he cannot do. Mahama is promising something that he can do and do it better because o say hwenyama me be ye mampenyin me ye no Nanjina no so nansantie dia me say me ba be ye e de aboa temamefo no na mo gina eno so na mo fa etu aba enfa mame wo say ma ye adwuma o Bank of Ghana pe ye nim se sika wo Ghana ha ye nko amanone ekoye de ekobo bosia o say a lazy man approach na ye de ekobo bosia because se ka bosia body a osela usu o say ne ba 18 years kura betimi adi mampeni. What do you say? Ensemble na nkrofo ya nka okrum ha etiete yesu mo okrum ha. But ene SNC potobri etu chi omo omu gina platform no so from 2017 abepimine Mahama is their major campaign.
Are you people not using Baumia as your major campaign?
Why no? Baumia currently Baumia, who is Baumia now? Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, who is it? He is the current vice president of the Republic of Ghana.
He's the flag bearer.
We are in the opposition. Mahama is the opposition leader. The leader and the flag bearer of the National Democratic Congress, seeking to come to power coming December 7. So he has every right to criticize. That is the reason why the minority is there. To make sure that the government do it thing properly. To criticize government in a proper manner. So what we are saying is Ghanaians are desperate for power. Ghanaians are hungry for power. Ghanaians are looking up to John Dramani Mahama to come and rescue Ghana and reset problems. Omukachi say 1 district, 1 factory. Senka 1 district, 1 factory. How many districts are Ghana? Over 200 plus. What do you say? Say some factory ni nyina ba kukura etimi fa nipa 1,000. How many people do we have? But time now, almost say hardship no. Now the unemployment rate no na 8%. Almost create nyuma. They be ya create juma bebrebe. Bebrebe yetimi body juma kro no. But bebrebe agenda 111. Okura onhu ba bi kura ye de ewo. Enti sa enjuma na almost create bebrebe no. Still the employment rate no 14%. Going to what? 15%.
Thank you.
Enti nyama ye Wasante region ha. KJT Dubai. Ye the 4 years NSC phase 1 no. But phase 2 no 8 years down the line they cannot even complete it. So it tells say the hope I was here and John Dramani Mahama and NDC. So coming December no oko post uko to abana men hwehwe bibia number no bia 1 2 3 men kai number bia hwehwe bia chinie na wo baby chini no ho na o ye de oko hwe Mahama eduma ebia we ni nye enti ebe how
after 7
Mahama no ene se de no aba implement formula 1
Facebook KUMAWOOD TV live on YouTube KUMAWOOD TV
this time around
some Darkus initiative some Darkus TV so you stream live wa for 16 minutes into no mirror osaje for me I make time the moment say me so your time no into also be for 16 minutes mama thank you yenti wa no pay you say the
mama damedasi
boom from power parliament house no put majority
Ghana ha ye dem ra na chechire o ma no enye ntokwa ene etutrasem ene ye
look at what this
ye di bu o man enra enano Supreme Court ekasaye enano Speaker Babin one NDC for kwatana se hyehyɛ se automatically nipa bi akọ independent ewo MPP mu no nso bi akonti ekwan bi aso unconstitutionally omo behwe na o matane omo seat no ma be majority omo propaganda no omo ye na dada na omo ni message bi ama Ghana. That is what they are doing. But I'm that yenhwe constitution 1992 constitution no 1992 constitution no hwe chapter 10 article 93 eno na e create parliament. 1992 constitution hwe chapter 10 article 93 eno na e create what parliament. And I speak of parliament so article 95 eno na 1992 constitution e create no and a constitution no the supremacy.
Okay.
Meaning you can say, or can say me say we call separation of power. It is there. But separation of power come to place when you operate within your limit. You don't go beyond your limit. Abambabin, he knows. Say, they were here, and I know, and near man were here no parliament, you know, unconstitutional, mischievous, political gimmick, political expediency.
Are you sure?
I'm telling you. What are this for? On what grounds now? Henry Drews to northern region. Within 2 days, within 2 days now they ruling about parliament a procedure and I want to mean rolling on statement. All standing order. Article 110 of 1992 Constitution, and they give you a parliament so omonya standing orders no monfanya omojuma. But they should work within their limit. That is the reason why executive no so we say omode bill be bomb the parliament. Now parliament je be we are no their common executive no president there assigning. We should read. We cannot just come and sit on studio and I say you conform this way. No. We should read. We should understand the issue because we are educating the public. Enti se opese wo interpret constitution na and asa emre bia na okay. Supreme Court. Speaker of Parliament have no locus. So be interpret bibia. And now opese o vacate obi seat ya a high court. So what you see? Yeah. What do you call it? A Siama any Professor Michael Quay.
But it's true, Anna.
Oh yeah, and it's true.
How do you mean?
Yeah, in Chichimu. When we say parliament now, parliamentary members know they are there for their party.
Yes.
Enti Emra a Siama issue no eba no. A general secretary of MPP and a chokoma. Speaker of Parliament. Then a Professor Michael Quay. And what Troy de the command. Say ni party, say ni why de. Why? And now Ojina Emrano so. Unu say Oyusu article 97(1) G no. Unu say eno a technical provision. So if you don't understand that, a technical provision, lawyers never church you. So what I say? Enti obia obetimi or what right to say? Obetimi actual akwakoma Speaker of Parliament to say enipa we akọ independent MPP ni ana say General Secretary of the party. Enti Helen Drews dey no mo ye no. NDC ni na or NDC ni na okọ independent no. Or no more right. They know. Enra na ayi kan sembi Mahama Ayarga. And I know TV3 hot issues that is a morning show no more on Saturday no. And I say I then Avenue Markins and they be right so now or no extra comma Edico Supreme Court to say this. Now then one train massa MPs now I don't know if I no anya de be am fanko. Ni ebusa say hey na Drews wo yendi sini na. A debe right no we say okono okoko twere say etrofa MPP fo nso moko yi o twa come speaker say you vacate your city enya mischievous enya political expediency. You see, they know they have lost this election. And then rasa okai ba omi aka se bi wo say penny data okura won say won wo obi a o kasa with data. Penny data Ukraine and they are trouble now are winning both majority in parliament and the presidency. He has won the election. Based on based as a campaign based on the data Ukraine. Baumia has won the election, the parliament, MPP has got them have the majority. So what I say? And what they do, say one, almost starting here maybe. Almost starting attacking easy, maybe. But you can't throw and at the end there 140,000 votes or man transfer illegally. Ebe group of paying say one computer be or so no TV3 for interview no TV station we interview no ye dede no insult amanfo.
E said you almost here no mo kai.
yisi
omuni
ni omuye enti yisi eno ma ka so okay say the yen telecast ipack no ene call ipack ene telecast ene yisi di ne niam nyina yede ebeto fom no chirechire niam nyina kama very disgrace political party. They always deceive their people. Do you know what they did in 2020? 2020, they deceived NDC people. People went on street to burn ties. And media or two way, a patch on the Dino Kamasan, or Quadaso, why Jay Juma out by NDC no why Shanty, why didn't why Juma vote. Fia mam let us fan come do mahama wakotre ba bia kodi fufu akoda nunu di papa ya no wati TV so wakoda hospital wasi koye you sit on grounds let us what I said, look at your Supreme Court. Yabusan was only figure be or neighbor. Yabusan was only figure be. Or Castle or Coco Petcher, my idea. And no cotton a NDC for was a Yakrayako court near the shade. Because election near Coyano, 5 regions ban assistant me down me near Nibia. Nay, for swamp of former chairman. And no cocoye a system 4 times tabby and the buyer was say. Am I empty man and won't travel man monto mame? Medium was not making me down trana. Me who ya woka say what is a minute wouldn't come up. Now ye know didn't come on talking to the good people of this country and these people and I'm speaking to the 14 voters and the MPP as a whole. I want 14 voters to understand that they shouldn't vote for NDC because when they vote for them they cannot even protect their vote. Why? Because Obi Adom a strong muhono, Omega Konutin, after one could differ 3 days. We are fasting, yes, Christo, you're fasting 45 days. 3 days, when did he? Now for 1 and candy, your Mohammed to me and a carbon and why? What much could differ for we biscuit or who's your cockot and Obian Quada hospitals why are it? And all witnessing or visor or the hospital or the city. And the NDC, they are very deceptive political party. They always throw dust into the good people of this country eyes. For the people to understand. Say, let me tell you something. Recently, a certain farmers were Caribbean no more food. And then this is for was explaining emission tax at the Atloma. The war can say emission tax literally say, although well for we are now Beshia. You saw compare another danko kufa on the Baumia, Eba, no besusu risi do. A bad day, a bit to me, a free work for my back. They are tax away. In the proud way, this group of people want to lead this country again. Madam Dan, Ghana, you should listen to the good people of this country. Listen to NDC. Share money more way. The only thing I am Kobebia, one Yanko Pomwa or China. Abambabi or your lawyer. Ope will be a watcher of parliament or power natural. And just about to know, one more minor butcher, I will answer. And the Supreme Court has spoken. And the Supreme Court, so I say, Omuna, Omuwo, in charge of the Constitution. If they don't know, I'm telling them today. They know. And Tina me call to article, no? Article 93 95 no and the creative parliament the secretary speaker of parliament the role playing a constitution creative and a constitution article 110 no and no the catch speaker parliament say omunya standing orders no find within their limit. They shouldn't go beyond their limit. If you go beyond their limit, the Supreme Court will come in. And I'm not to force it. You didn't show who the unfurnished fa what do you call it? Ambulance, you won't send some buyer, or who the unfurnished and your Supreme Court will be on a go. And then you're on the baby, you know. And I'm cry as a special prosecutor, was say oni asem be kan fa former president Mahama ho bas NDC for enter groma mo say now Supreme Court account who born drunk go say we be sack of we become majority sir you know a finance person oni mumra a speaker of parliament actor forcing or a finance person oni mumra o mo ni mumra no e no so ma tipebu TV3 ma tipebu afede na o kasa wona tibi kasa no afede o kasa no hu ba bi on fanfa embra ene ye adwuma Ghana and nobody, I repeat, nobody in this country can go beyond the 1992 constitution. When the constitution that a boy in a home by you, your number is to be called baby and a boy home by you. Kahono could be able to what you pay by the 1992 constitution. Yen evolution a buy any yes, but your back can you near me see Ghana. The constitution a buy and when a boy home by. And tea and brand baby a done it. Former President Mahama. Onimu proponi a wabwa for parliament hunti ena speaker babe kasa ye within our ningo pram was sas ye and as I said ye nyanto aba no ye majority kwadofo wonyiro wonya adwuma onya campaign ena wo de wo mischievous so from message ma 24 economy amode ba ye menu yi kan san bi wase ne ma papa ndi si ba wo ba ye ne ma papa be na ba ye chok want to man provide chok chok want to man provide chok school enipa ho chire omu enipa ho chire o memu ambanfo ntimi nko school bro mu brewa menu ye ote hai me se na me di bi babo no wo free voter region wa twede twahwe ukrum wa hwe brown na ko secondary school obisi wo the free senior high school ba na NDC form penifo asana say eye 419 they are following former president Mahama ne se wo be kasa ye 419 John Mahama se wonya 2 billion always to free SHS. Maybe we say we need to person time say ni fie ni bush obi anya benefit of free SHS. One gram say the background CCA because baby the age the baba wo be SS kra we wie. What you say? Enti former president Mahama and my papa me nua ka tell say o be ye 2012 to 2013 to 2016 edum say na mo de beto mu. Okay. Ko no me dum so ya and a Ghana for say who kofi a no afre Madam Dana say light or hormone light no one man say
Wagabonte
obi e kwa wo bobo ata de agu bag and I dey abeduma say dey ade che wo be se no ti wo hwe ba bia light wo akoto na wo de wa de asen wo ko na de akwase se fi an ko wa se dey abeduma awo how ni abebrese amoni Ghana foko how ni abebrese enuma eseye omum ye costo enuma amanfo enuma gugu ye and a sponge scheme ahodo microfinance ahodo be wi Ghana for under former president Mahama regime. Former president Mahama yana or member man for who belly out banks. Kadoyan can wrong go by improper supervision of then Bank of Ghana. A month for Sika. Papa wa be jail no for envan go to prison. Sika ye demand say on fan ye belly on fan share dwuma o sa de koya no the business. So the koye do obi ehun do the koye we this can. Okay. Ene o man no anado dan ko kufu ado buy obi protect customers near ade and this for now and this for now and this for now na say pa you know ogunyuma enyuma be na butimi kete entimi ni amede man no sie no Ghana for NDC they are still in minority. And they will continue to be in minority after 2024 election.
That is your point.
Okay.
MPP parliamentary candidates will be at number one.
Thank you, Miro Sarge, for serving.
Lady, menu yakasa bebrebe, but on say double standard. On say wa beje tum here. On say emra, ena ediye ejuma o my Ghana enyesa. Wakotu Article 110 of the Standard Orders of the Parliament. Or mention separation of power.
Standing order now Parliament. 1992 Constitution. Standing Parliament standing.
Okay, normal. Oh, it's okay. We don't have a problem with that. Then now I say party secretary. Then time. And a troll letter a Speaker of Parliament Michael Quay. And our original a year ethics action. And yes, sir. Says an okay. Verbal or written form is information. Is that also? Or no? Catch me say. Aruna Idrisu. Eko jina. A simple kasa asem na parliament no ebe take that decision. Se asem si or parliament na o refer the speaker to it. Obetimi the asem na back. No ma active on it. Okay. But oma draw attention na escape the fault. That is the reason why members of parliament are there. Okay. Now, we say Article 97 of the 1992 Constitution. Okay. A member of parliament shall vacate his seat in parliament A upon a dissolution of parliament. You go straight to Gino. Gino say if he leaves the party of which he was a member at the time of his election, at the time of his election, another party leaves another party or seek to remain in parliament as what? An independent member, or H, if he was elected as a member of parliament as an independent candidate and party. Meaning say asema ye nyina ye ka no onu ankasa gye atum say sana e wo say ye de eye ena wo say ye na ya hihye nyama e wo parliament wo no anya bia no ye na ye ka kire sa ani patri ne say omo ye de omo free MPP no mo contest independent ana esa ne say omo party nya akono bium esa ne say omo members of parliament no felt say they treat them unfairly. So they have to find another means and come back to parliament on their own again. And also, a constitutional emamu a coin say betimi ISO. But the only thing is say we free and was so seat no we declare back vacant. And also because say yeah by election no and I make sure say article no me kaya me watch no. E catch say within 6 months no yeah by election. And can you say if before 6 months and can you be by election? She said the way a juice DNA. What do I say? Sanya mana okika ni nyina no onu ankasa jitu say eye mrano no na adentina parliament take decision and the Supreme Court no ebe ka say me injunction to so. Now oka assembly say Bawumia say or no according to the data no obe wini majority seat no. Ade papa be na Bawumia eye okruma. Ade papa be.
Did you say that?
Bawumia eye flag bearer or campaigning against one kasa policy of the other.
Any policy on what they buy?
11.
Na 11 on the buy.
Oh no, they buy one kasa
or president.
Now, my mention what David. When you're president, yes sir. But one bread he said he is a Travis Smith.
But he is.
And another one, he said that he has implemented 38 policies. Which authority does he have to implement these 34 way no? But at the end of the day, you are telling me say, something that is creditable, Bawumia. Something that is what disease when MPP is at the fault, Bawumia any movie. But MPP Bawumia and so that is a double standard of MPP. MPP is not a serious party. Now, ye free ho. Busa hu ana ko internet is here. Na busa say 2020 election results. It does not exist. It doesn't exist now. Even those teaching social studies, I was school CCA. When you ask them, what is 2020 results? No, election results. Because the election has been, the results have been manipulated over 6 times in EC website. And nothing na ye court no yanka jire say ye win you. Yanka say ebia over ye will. Ye court say e kwan ya EC efa so declare abano. yentese on be chiremu
na me person could declare and say if I should ask
they tell you can say on say isi na ye refuse na ye onu na ye bibia onu kwa na ye personal obetimi declare aba ye nyina be gietu what do you say first resource no over 100% okoba hero na ka koye what do you call it less than 100%. I say it's like onim dia oye because figures no hunu dia oye. You need this J Mensa right now. Say ka LPG onim full meaning no. She doesn't know the full meaning of LPG. So there are so many political parties in Ghana. J Mensa does not know their full meaning. Where easy. So we are saying say when Esedum Ketia went to court, na court Busa and say, what is your result? He told them that he is not here because of that.
So why did he go?
Once the first, you Busa question, time and procedure and start, you Busa question, be almost say, Moon train, James and Akasa Jina boss no more. No more there, no more Busano. What do I say? Because they knew what they planned. Obusa question bia fa ho bia almost say oh wait when James himself comes then you address that question. Edusu James abeba or say oh on the right opea obeba opea omma James ampie. So enu na kire say there was a fracadam, there was dream, there was katasise any project kan during that election. Ye wo kromo ha na ye to aba 2020 nipa 8 ewuye sa nipa 8 no eno na ya akafa na omu number no e wo say number 8 no ye to aba e de ahye omu nimanyam sankrofo no ebe pim ne ba omi antimi aka wansem the flag bearer of New Patriotic Party wantimi aka wansem akufo do be kam yentia o se sankrofo mu ye nkrofo ya ba 13 years, 11 years, 15 years. Omu ya krofo. Anyedia election de omu ko wi ade. Ye wo kromo ha na nipa that's a member of parliament. E ko wi ballot paper e parliament. Carlos Ankra. O wi ballot paper e ma ya bunasu. So paper number 1 minute. Nipa that's in the parliament, member of parliament. Atimia many papers. E ko ni yem. Ye busana. O say MPP who don't Nanado Dankwa Akufado who don't ena yeye ena o yes anyama no anka mi kama sana yes ade no police station na yam bomb tunkumi Diane a high time say be kan okreche yehu we shouldn't be deceiving ourselves Akufado ena ka kire ye okrom ha say he is a lawyer for that matter. Enunti na wokofa nipa wonim economy no aba sata me no kura na wonim membership card wo MPP mu na wokofa ba omi abaye esen se ba omi DCV na do dankwa akufo do yet wa discipline complete ene wo ka kire se oda so ye vice president wo ka kire se onu no ba obeye o adwefofora wo de bebu man no adwe na o tirima wo de bebu man no ade tina wa fa mboa wo boss ama na gidi. So we are telling Ghanaians that these people, we shouldn't trust them. We shouldn't trust them. Share Galamsen Semsen and say I see ye can once a month. Ye quote almost MP NDC for na cover profo say ombe to Galamsen 5 years never go abide anymore. Hey, say oh Ghana 2 million na share wonsa. Wo na police force no share wonsa. Even Baumia and the chairman of the council of what police council, only the chairman. Bibiano ono na hede that kind of things no so. Na 2 minutes was now one timi anyede one timi answer of Galam say issue no. Now because NDC for majority for na ye or opposition ye mu na yeda 2 minutes when inside the Why inside na 2 minutes the eshe. Enti mimi kama sa me wo ha say studio ha na me kasem etia nana do dankwa akufado right now ye be suma police for ha say o be chim. So because you say you yourself your full soldiers are into Galam say you cannot fight it and you are saying that you some for you
for 2 minutes
They are not people that we should what? We should trust. Yeah, Okroma na muka chire Mahama say we are incompetent. And now catch you mu say we are incompetent or mu say atem didi.
Why na can say atem didi?
I want people before now.
9
What do you say? Mahama kok gina platform no so e ka say Ghana for ebinumu adweye o mu say Ghana for e was short memory. Sa asem no.
That's all can say.
Eno na me say o say
one can say.
Yeah, o kai no na me catch you no. O say ebinumu adweye o mu say Ghana for e was short memory. O ka sa asem no ebinumu adweye no ma yi afri ho. And now we dey Ghana for a short memory. And now we dey no be spray abonte.
It's one can say a short memory.
Me say asema o kai ne say Ghana for na ebinumu adweye o mu say Ghana for was short memory. One can say Ghana for e was short memory kwa. Omu kachire na wakachire say we join funu de o sro sika bium. Omu de ye campaign tia no. Odi ntia. Kejitia market hwe de o ye the biggest market in West Africa. Adentina one fa Tamale. Adentina one fa Volta region. Adentina one fa Western region. Adentina one fa Sunyani. But at the end of the day, what did Santiman or yes, I am no almost say for any or continue for him. Ewa hifie e ka kire ne se sa project won na wie obi atimi akufo do sunya the same platform ko gina ho a abasobode na ode ministers
they can no me right there
so can say coming December 7th ye go to aba Mahama no be implement it for our economy na kana for ye de wa tom na cement wa ba form
na budala ne so aba 5 cedi
ye wo kroma na cement ne 25 cedi enye 25 cedi
wafa
okura wo dey no time na wo so dey time na mama because won nim here
na dey wafa wo dey na mana
because won no on the ruling party
na wo dey obi
dey be na
manen kanasem
woni hweka
manen kanasem
woni hweka osaje fo woni hweka e wo so be join na NDC
eso mama ni bebre pa
o be wi na afira na wo be fire so what you say One two more times where we why? What time aso?
Better yes.
What time aso we?
Madam Dan. E better Ghana for us ni acha Ghana for bi. E me na so 7 December. Enche bia na time ai de aso we. Na de kan che Ghana for ni say. E me bi twam. Ye nya former president bia. Na okosku wa chimota. Ye di free education ba na regime an osesa na e makoye. No cool free education. I former president John Mahama. Oko free senior high school. Na na dan kwa kaso di free senior school be bo so wontimi mfanye. Ono kra de meniska 2 billion crown fa me dey e me free senior school. E ma Ghana fo nyina de.
Wo kasa o. Enya nsem ni nyina na na wo ka no. Kama sam so kama sam mane kana sem. Wo kasa o to ni ti semum. Misro.
Enti de ye kan say
Misro.
Na na dan kwa kufa no bae no. Ye kasa enipa over 5.7 million a benefit. And kura kwa exams na nwe omi 570,000. And crazy say obi a start the results. By next week the placement will come and kura na be obi be ko the school kama. Me baka ho bi.
This one baka.
Me baka ho bi. Enti na do dan kwa kufa no Dr. Baomi omunwuma no mo be ye no. Ye kase ye de ma party bia ye mo party bia di bobo ye mo party bia di no betimi aboa beto aso ne wo aboa me nwuma na do dan ko kufa do be ye no etimi akọ nanim a MPP aban ne Dr. Mahmoud Baomi o ne betimi aboa na free SHS na de akoso agenda 111 yetima complete on record. But I'm done. NDC no single hospital to compete with Santa Regina. I repeat, no single hospital to compete with Santa Regina. And decided they know sorry, omu yena, no single hospital.
They are more complete here.
Mpachomane kasa na ndio ina most complete.
Eti ye kan say
Manen kana sem.
Yentina hono NDC for e me twantro me tumfu tro Ghana fo ani. Say de omo ye no 2008 say omo de single one time premium abede ebeba. health insurance a mo ba ya ebusa mo fifi cote and na general secretary o se ye won sem bia ukogina campaign so anu waka obegina uba amembo no so anu ahwe no waye o mantimi anye former president Mahama Kroya was do campaign dia wono wo twa ntwa kakra no aka no kra kakra tinsen bebrebe a won kan nyina no wonu se ontimi nya beto pese Ghana foto abama wo ba inhran kan yakopon se madam dan enipa bia first na ka obetime tum futuro agu omani no na na do dan kwakufu ado adawro ma wode nwoma ehye omutrim na omuno maame no me dey dim kobo Friday no me nko a single handedly me am door to door wow me ni me shemi t-shirt me shemi che na me wuro film ntimi ko hia
kama sa wano ha woni mle ya na wade
na omo ye dey na omo ti wono omo nyina mo ye 5 omo nyina ko free senior high school na me bu sam say na after school no dey be course na person me boy university and omo say oh we say me sit na me no mu didi komo ansa na me de amanyosa no bere ntimi bu sam oh da yeni pa bi na kɔtɔ ba mana na do dan kwaku fa do ma ye be nya aso mfa so enti ye nuan mo P5 JHS1 P6 JHS2 no yeso esi ekɔtɔ e ma ba onua na free SHS ne de etwas I just pass them and I move on and you really want na nkra na sa ba biem sina da be na me kɔ do to do no mpɛ so o mo ne me de ekɔ no mo kɔ boa na ye ton free SHS in 73 Ghana for. And Madam Dan akura say wo hu say o ko school no ono ye o be ko school no nya 18 years o obi na to obama na do dan ko akufo ade ye de e ba ye de free senior school ni ba ye and this force here maso omoje over 40 advert against free SHS and you are there coming to tell the good people of this country say wo na wo ba obetima be implementing it former president Mahama Angwa muni gabi se di kromo nya nu na eji enu dada. Je new krom hadada. Wa be vice president am ye hu. Wo be president ye hu. Mi ne yi kasa wa se an ba mo ya se wono a wo ni vision a wo person di bu ni man. Tama former president Mills Nyankopon fa ne crazy. Wo wu ye. Wan na finance minister. Ne je kwa brado fo. Former president Mahama ba ye no. Wa anyi na di. Enti no ne atame sa adwene na yefe wan fara adwene ne bebu ye asa ya na mu nyamo adwe se tinsem bia na bode sika che manchi sima kwato abo obi ni ato aba atwam this time said ye mu twetwe twantro ne ade ade no mo kan e be refill Ghanaians are very decent. Ghanaians are ready to continue MPP government because MPP there ye ba ye sia ye jo o hwe akwanya Ashanti region wo say this time won timi ka say Ashanti wonya hwe o ma start hu monumental projects ya ye Ashanti region no and o timi kan bi bobo so what you say yes see universities yes see secondary school yes see expansion
come on son
what you say ya ye nyama bebrebe
na wo ka wo dey say ye tra wo ye di
what you say bebrebe
wo dey enter house so so ye bebrebe
me gidi say Nyankopon boy beba na
why me no kra so why me
say ye bo me tire wo no wo ba sa Ashanti region e be na ni sia and this dey be na Ashanti region hospital bia no me ya muti be complete here for me na muti be complete me so what me complete from now we are just 50%. Kuma just 14%.
Kumawu water project here.
Me say asha masa ko no tum na me nto aso me sere wo wanya time awi.
Asa ye wo ye no asa
na wo ka wo dia wan kasa wanya wo time. Ono so nya ne time. It's about time. When somebody is talking, it's not misleading anybody. You had your time and then you whatever mpacho. Yeah, na I got 2 minutes. I'm going to call. Come on, don't do this. It is time. You had yours. So let's respect each other.
I was sitting here. Because we are listener. Now we are tolerant.
Please.
When you're tolerant.
Go ahead, Mpacho. I got 2 minutes.
I mean, you'll be a car. Won't you say? Ghana for the air can say. Nyankopon boa 7 December. MPP parliamentary candidates in order number 1. Dr. Baumia Eda number 1. Now you share one of the fantastic policy MPP Eddie Eba a tax rate. Ports was so very fixed rate. In the soccer found near Maba, na sa ade no duty ni eye bia 2000 2000 nya afa ni e be ye ni ma na ade ama sa e ho no bo ye na ye de no wo se John Mahama e di command nkofo bi 35 years 35 years and what tongue port no dia ma wo na nkofo no ebu Ghana fo and wo gi ni commission free
1 minute
John Mahama commission wom and wo gi free na Ghana fo bre enti Ghana fo mo hwe man fa papa wo ya ma biem o pa ba po man no because o person o be say bibia reset no o be reset free senior high school no one say akwa for dum so dia e dia ba because e kan na gina so o be reset no ko dundum no o ko dundum kan ya wo de enkrade ni mu a say adundum kan ya and all the picture be gina ha ya adundum kan ya di Ghana fo ni former president Mahama no enti hu nya say wo be ha ho hwe number 1 esoro ho ensuo to be gu asase su a esoro ho no na e free ba be 5 be 3 man na say ensuo ato so si ahon kire ba na my to de be na ho esoro man na bibia ho e ho na former vice president Baumia e ho no order number 1 all the MPP parliamentary candidate hwe me no ka say who say Koko ene Koko one bag e to cement 30 bars
okay Obenas
Koko one bag e to cement 30 bars ene o John Mahama eko na 420 say 470 ene Koko ye 30 million 3000 Ghana cedis ene kuafo ena no kura na esirem drought to us we say come muska and
all right 02668461 Kamasan I'm so surprised because yes I now to be any time I
but also put the question you ask me so many questions here
the
viewers can attend to that fact
yes no the okay was in bisa question bisa or not so shase no the okay was in bisa question bisa and you baby me ba you don't decide for me. You had your last time. Your turn.
I don't decide for you.
Yes.
I don't decide. You
I ask the questions.
Because
you are
independent.
I'm independent. I with your fans. It's one our time. Obi Canada and a group and a group. Now would you know catch us what you through? Would you now catch us what you I am my family. I will be on Canada to me. I am my comments. 0202668461 0202668461 any si fo be kumfia ha na me akasa no me nkasa wo mo ho em before so sa mu nyina mo yepe na se be ndey 02026684 me fan sa ho wo adwene wanya ata wo bi nyande so na bro na hajin sa. Hello, good morning caller.
Good morning Diane.
My darling.
Papa Diane.
Yenti wa no be me ho ye fa
Regan
Daro my intie.
Diane, like me that say I don't think this for no but now more % before be kasa.
E o mo asemu.
Enya kra, sa de no me enya kra. When now time o kasa nti de o kan na na no kre. Ana de o nti de bi o ndi before no o mo nka no kre nti ni pe bi o nka no kre nti bibia no o bi kasa na ho hye. Nti mesere zo mo betina wa omo omnyamu time wa mo kasa aye fe program bi endi vo ye di ba kopim je endi vo ne be kasa na mo wura mo kasa omunya sa ne ma na mfata na minshira
sister Kamasa this is stop that 02026684 I don't know why wouldn't say the way one di what's the way one me the problem no bebo blues. He said darling too. I wonder why today he was doing that. 0202668461 was I give some pen on one sim. No, so I said, come on, some person no who so they but some pen on one sim. Well, pen on one sim. Oh yeah, cool, stubborn cool. 0202. Okay, hello, good morning. 020266. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello, good morning. Hello. Okay. One kasa ebe you fi so ebe na call aka 7 minutes. 02026661. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Hello, good morning. Wadaro mama ne so mama na enko ebe na call.
Me dey dey kwesi.
Kwesi enti wa no pay mo anonko.
Morning. Me did kwesi. Madam, I didn't enter before mon kan ko sa. Ma me see enti before mon kan ko kwa.
Oh, oba kan wasem ate. Ye tie oboko. So we kan ko so what dey kan wasem nako. Ate. Democracy, freedom of speech, yente chere o. Enti ho wa chire o tie ho na yete nge be yi wafiso. Esa kasa yente. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Great. What am I yente wa no pay mo anonko?
No job. I don't know this one kind of question. I'm gonna go.
Omo kan no call there ho kasa.
Bosh baby ban na alo be she. E be na o chese why.
Oba wanya hwe o.
You say the baby here.
Okay. Let us say well whampa 0202668461 also beat me afre na yakwe name 0202668461 frame na aka 5 minutes. I think probably you're going to be my last caller na yonko because omo me ka say kokro mo time so mo kama Sunday nso no so dey nso. Hello last caller, good morning.
Good morning.
Wadaroma udini baby afre me free.
The good job as a friend of the chief.
Pacha wadaroma yenti o odo.
I don't I think it's one of us that was one of us I can do everything to be here for. You are going to say why?
You ome ye kronfo so mo wi asase o enti de ka se beto am this for them bomb kronfo no mo when they say you should prove it you can't prove e ha na e dey see me fa ko bia e bi mo ye kasa honte what ya say we ba no di mama te we ba no di nanara te menye o ma bobo kro no ofi yonko enye so ni say enye dia yonko Tamakache, see me ball crony, maybe an assassin. And two fees or policies no more ye won't pa, who promote your dear, what 4 years soon office or bed, but what medio be item and an adijinaha, or besides and be out there, winty minche. You're a Mahama jinaha, or their war kafano, winty minche, or fear or pay. What I say? May the last I want to have is to meet my mama because I like him. And the best I want to do is to meet Nanado. Both of them, His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. I want to meet them one day just to say, oh, many no create chapa chakeka kra. Now on sort when oh dear teme dear. Yedi many sa. Fakoko mutuko to the open.
Lady Diane, Michia are you falling in a Ghana for Mundo Musupa, Namun December 7. See idea, Amuchirano, Adukri, but yenya wichimu ewo John Dramani Mahama esa ne se dumso oka wosofu dumso asa na okoy emma omu be ka kire wo kuru se ye wo SS power ye tua hu ka ye mfa nyehwe what dey see but ene dumso da sa ba na omu ka kire se ye wo shortage of power so first one na Mahama ye na omu ka se SS power no tiche no ekohi what dey see enti yenya wichimu ewo John Dramani Mahama mu na omu ntwa ba emfa no coming December 7 now obedi mapping now implementing agenda 133 no na ihu ayede atoye 24-hour economy no idea ebeboa pa ba omiakra no okọ amanone no okọ operate 24-hour economy okọ suku anopa no aba ewia be ye ejuma anya kakra hye ne fatum enu ne bo ne eba timi ye etimi ko enti women banks na Mahama ese wode ba no jem na say what the Baba Bubua a man, so that at the end of the day, from 5 million to 100 million, that's free.
And that's it. Aside for
come here,
yes, that.
I got the can't check Ghana for say, you say, Drew Bejawa at and for say, a wasserwa, and be painty or Jenny background wide, waiting in your 210. And I will be Ghana for ye bisa 2008. We bisa so what you say NDC for it Kruma and a come you. It's always NDC only the largest opposition party won't mean influence and they will be there forever. So what you say because in if over 6 million at all Obama former President Mahama. In you 3 million cross we did do Kruma say come do ma Obaka come mampa. So what you say. So what's it to a bayampa? We are Ghana and you are to a bapa. Obana no be ko fi senior high school no hwa setem na ide to papa bi na mi twam na o ma me ensa o nyina gufi enne wo manum nsia na na doda nkwa kufu ado hwe kura wo ti fie na wo to aduane ya di ama wo ma mienu miensa no pa wi anwumre hwe na wo party school wo di ano pa wi anwumre free no book fee no school fees no examination fee no registration fees na akwa na ko university na wi no wonya wakọ wo wi SS wo be ko university no hwe wo say first madam dan wo ko university na so ko student loan na ko 5 guaranteed be miensa and the Ghana card Dr. Baumia say what do Ghana card ye be ma student loan no guarantor we na ye Ghana for ye hwehwe enti Ghana for ene health insurance ene dialysis omo a omo wo sa yare no omo nyina yetimi e de tua momo enti momo wane entoa MPP aban ne so omo na di social intervention ba efie bia wa Ghana bia enya so enya ya no
na ye di jumedi na
Luton chef for no
o ncheni for Madam Mira Osaje for 7 Madam Ase or your communication team member for the new Patriotic Party Amanyukukese MPP Sanso and Mira Kavasan the slow cost troubler. So your communication team member for the National Democratic Congress Amanyukukese and DC. I love these two people. Nyakopaya Adoma Oshenbe Saint my production crew. Thank you so much. I don't famous and of course I say Kobe see tomorrow within the Diane.